Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are unboxing the October PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. So if you're new to the PreCuts quilt boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They're $55 a month and they always include a ton of fun fabric, full-size products, and notions, patterns, and more. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So the first thing in all of our boxes is this little insert. It tells everything about what's inside our box. It also always has a feature for the fabric designers for that month's box. This month's box was designed by Poppy Cotton, so you know that I love Poppy Cotton fabric, and so I'm really excited to see what's inside here. And then of course it has all the information for all of your other products. So let's just dive right in with the block of the month. So this is block number 7, and they do put in a different pattern for every month for a different block, and then you can make those blocks as your boxes come. Once you get 12 boxes, they'll send out a finishing kit or instructions on how to finish all 12 of those different blocks into a fun sampler quilt. All right, let's just start off with my first little thing in here, and this is the mushroom zipper pull or charm. This is from Poppy Cotton. These retail for $9. And they're just a fun little embellishment. They have a few different ones. They have a chicken, they have this one, they have, what else did I see? They have like a Hello Kitty kind of one, I think. I'm trying to look at my bags and see what I have on them. But they do have a few different ones. They are metal charm or pin, and so they're really cute. Perfect for adding to any of those zipper bags that we've made here on YouTube. Of course, you can add it as a charm to pretty much anything you like, but I usually put mine on my zipper bags, and actually I have one on my Weekender tote, and then I have one on my Craft to Go tote, and they're just so much fun. Another fun thing from Poppy Cotton this year are these Farm Girl Unites greeting cards. There are 8. Yeah, there are 8 different greeting cards in here, and they retail for $16. And of course, they feature artwork from the Farm Girls Unite fabric collection by Poppy Cotton. So really cute. And here's kind of a sample of all of the different cards that are included. The next thing we have is the pattern this month, and this one is called my Scrappy Stars quilt pattern. This is by PreCuts quilt box. The pattern itself retails for $12. It finishes at 56 by 56, so it's a fun little wall hanging. It's fat 8th friendly and beginner friendly. And then to go with that, we do have 1/2 yard of Poppy Cotton fabric. This is for the binding. This retails for $7.50, and it's just this really cute, fun floral print. They also added a 1/4 yard panel of the labels from that line, and this retails for $3.50. And these are actually really fun to put as a label on the backs of your quilts, so they're really cute. They have all different ones on here. And then last but not least, we have a fat 8th bundle of their Betsy's sewing kit. There are 21 fat 8s in here, and it retails for $54. And we can go ahead and just take a quick look. There's lots of fun florals in all of Poppy Cotton's fabric, cute little teapots. And this was kind of inspired by like vintage sewing kits, and so I thought they did a great job with this line. The colors are really vibrant and poppy and bold. Usually they tend to stick with a little bit more like muted colors, so this was kind of a nice change, I thought. Some really fun aquas. Did I skip one? Sorry. Florals, and then we come into some reds and pinks. So here are all those prints one more time. Aren't they so much fun? All right, shipping for this month's box was $10.60, probably because of all that fabric in there. That's one of my favorite things about these boxes, is they always jam-pack them full of fabric, which is my favorite part. They're saying their box retail values for $112.60, so that's a great value for the $55 that it costs to begin with. So that's going to be it for the October PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. Remember, if you get your PreCuts quilt boxes, to share them on social media using hashtag PreCutsQuiltShop or PreCutsQuiltBox, and that enters you to win next month's box for free. I will put links on where you can get these boxes below. So leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite product from this month's box was. Mine is definitely the fabric. I also love this little mushroom zipper pull, and I think these cards are adorable. So that's going to be it for me for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time.